Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lina Pavlova and today we are doing Refashion project episode 10. For today's project I'm using a plain white t-shirt. I want to tie-dye using a spiral technique. For this project you will need a t-shirt, a pair of gloves, elastic band and a colorful dye mixture. Spiral technique is most basic of the tie-dye techniques and one of the most popular. Lie a t-shirt flat on your table. Then put your thumb and index finger in the center of the t-shirt. Begin moving them in a circle motion, spiraling the shirt around the center point. You have spiraled the entire shirt, loop elastic bands around the shirt. Use at least 3 to 5 elastic bands over the shirt to create sections. Soak the item you would like to tie-dye in lukewarm water. Dyeing a damp shirt helps the color to travel further faster. Do not use cold or hot water as it can make dye less effective. Now prepare your dyes. Put on protective gloves before handling the dyes. Add water right up to the neck of the bottle. Replace the cap tightly. Shake the bottle until the powder has dissolved. For brighter, intensive colors, fill the bottle with less water. It is now time to dye your shirt. Use the squirrel bottle upside down. Apply color directly to the shirt. If your shirt is covered in dye, turn the shirt over and cover this side with dye too. Finish dyeing your shirt, wrap the shirt in a plastic bag to keep it moist. Set it aside for 4 to 8 hours so that the dye has time to reach with the cloth. Placing the shirt in a warm area will help the dye to cure faster. After, take the shirt out of the plastic bag and unwrap any rubber band that you have used. Rinse the shirt with cold water in the sink to remove the excess dye. Into washing machine and wash on a cold cycle without adding any powder or fabric softener. Hang the shirt up to dry. Once dry, it is ready to wear. Now let's take a look at the final result.